This is how to generate GMB description using AI. Your GMB description is like a digital storefront. It's often the first impression potential customers get of your business. A good description can improve your visibility on Google, highlight your unique selling points, and encourage more people to choose your business. This GMB Everywhere process allows you to update your GMB description to be better using the power of integrated AI. Step 1. Install the GMB Everywhere extension by going to gmbdeverywhere.com. Click the Install Chrome extension button. You will be redirected to the extension page. Click Add to Chrome. Once installed, a new tab of Google Maps will open, showing several buttons. Click the AI button in Google Maps or go to the admin page of your GMB profile and click AI Tool. Once there, click on GMB Description Generator to start generating your GMB description. Step 2. Enter your business name in the designated text box. Customize the tone and style of your post to suit your intended impact. Choose from options like friendly, humorous, or any other tone that fits your brand's personality and the message's objective. Once you've tailored the tone to your preferences, simply hit the Generate Description button. Step 3. After the content is generated, you can effortlessly copy it by clicking the Copy button, which will save the text to your clipboard. Once copied, you can then log into your business's Google account to publish the newly created description. What makes a good GMB description? Clarity, relevance, and engagement are key. You want to clearly communicate what your business offers, why you're unique, and engage your audience to take action. Want to know more about this lightweight and powerful tool to help your business? Check out the related video in the description box below. Got some questions? Or do you have topics that you want to discuss? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.